You gotta do shit.
Or was that a boat?
Head north, boys.
I'm gonna fucking lose it. Also, why are we sending the chop stuff around when we totally need the chop stuff?
We're not restarting. Resume. We're going.
It's not hard. It's just.
How did that happen?
We don't. No!
No!
I'm gonna take a drink of water.
Oh, hey, Sam.
I can't fucking do anything. We need the fries. We have to restart. Legitimately.
No.
All right, everyone, slow down. No, take observations. Cutting boards on the bottom right. We need. Sam's gonna make me quit the game. Hey, Alex, I'm convinced we could have won this fight. Never mind.
I can make it. I can make it.
This is revengeful.
The way you dropped
we can recover this. We can recover this.
Dropped a cooked fish, bro. You know how long I gotta wait for that to happen because we can't cut before shit. Hey Sam, I'm going at the top.
I'm peeing.
Sorry.
No. Put that.
Maybe
Watching all the circles pop up is gotta be the funniest shit ever.
What?
What is up? And I cannot stress this enough. My gamers. It didn't cook.
I'm leaving this plate here to put the fish on it.
Someone seems to be at a dorm room.
This is my niece and or nephew. I just threw away potatoes.
Like cooked ones?
Yeah.
No, he's talking Why did you throw it out? You could have saved it.
We don't need it. We need to cook beef.
Let's just see how this goes. Let's get one run through.
I lagged.
Oh my!
We need a tortilla. We need a tortilla. Fucking bugs. It's the ice one, but if we had a cannonball firing at us the entire time.
Who's standing next to? Ah! Who's standing? Ah!
Respectfully, meat.
Hey, you want the meat? Hey, there you go. There's
Put it on the plate.
We don't have a plate.
Put it on the
They're
things.
on the plate.
Guam. Get out the way. Yeah.
You just went in with the dish.
Do you understand? I can't put the rice on if you're holding it. I can't.
Sprint. I was trying to put it down. Why
I
would you
didn't
sprint
sprint. That was you.
I literally didn't sprint.
Legitimately, why would you pick up?
Fucking sprint. I did not press the sprint button.
Why would you pick it up if I need to put it on there? And then you sprinted at me and knocked his bolt off.
No, I dropped the meat.
I dropped the rice.
I dropped the rice.
What was that for?
No.
No!
I can't, dude. Wait, we're actually so close to getting 3 stars on this because
I need rice.
We have rice.
Someone grab that. Oh fuck!
Hello.
Stop pushing me!
Grab the freaking dish.
Oh.
What are you doing? Just place it down on the thing.
Right side.
They're tortillas. Or kill yourself.
You don't need to kill yourself.
Oh no! I lagged.
I need beef. Oh, thanks. Oh, God. It's whatever. It's gonna respawn. Bro,
Thankfully it respawns like, Sam, you fucking dropped me.
Okay, I can't make that throw.
I can make it though.
wait, maybe if I stand here, I can catch it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
We have to experiment to see what.
Bro, I freaking need meat, man.
Oh! Hold on, I know how to fix it.
Did you?
I broke it. Oh, this is good. We got it. Did you hear it shatter?
Yeah.
I just lightly tapped it, but I forgot there's like a $10 controller.
Did you break it?
Only part of the plastic shell.
Whatever.
I need the fucking rice, man. It's not cooked, man.
Alex.
You put it on the wrong one again.
Sorry.
This is why you just deliver the rice. You scoundrel.
Alex, I'm sorry.
Now you have a plate to clean. I need the fucking rice! I also need chicken. I haven't got a single bit of chicken.
Yeah, it's died twice on the way to you.
Oh!
We gotta save the pot.
Going north, boys.
We're working together well as a team.
Not really.
Guys, who broke my controller?
That took you
Yeah, Brandon broke his controller.
I mean, we're working better as a team.
That was I've never like broken a controller before.
It wasn't
Like,
even out
out
of
of
rage. It was out of
It was,
comedy.
I was like, fix it, bang. I've dropped it so many times and it's not like have anything like no cracks or anything. I lightly tap it on my desk and it just fucking explodes.
Oh!
This is
Oh,
fucking-
okay. Throw some ingredients at me. Throw the chicken. I need a chicken. I need... Oh!
We've lost him.
Don't throw it away!
I need another beef getting on that burner.
Hey,
Stuck.
can I get that rice?
I have a beef. Nope, I'm getting the beef and bean burrito going.
What do we need, Sam?
Beef burrito going. There you go, Brandon.
This is a plate!
Just put the beef on it anyway, so you can turn it over.
I have not thrown off meat except for one.
Alex. Hey, you know what you
Hello?
can't do?
Oh.
There's a freaking N on it. That's crazy. Alright.
Going north, boys.
We're going north, boys.
Bro, can I get an invite?
I'm pressing here.
all of the buttons.
Alright, Alex. Hit right twice.
Who keeps pressing
No,
my
what? It's how we join. I'm player 3. Who's not
Okay.
in?
There.
Why was I player? Why was I not? I was player 3, Sam. Why'd you kick me off? We're going west, boys.
Alright, I'll stop controlling for a second so I can eat my noodles.
I'm eating beef.
I'm back at it, boys!
No, don't put the soup in there. We'll send the plates.
Oh, okay.
Conjazz.
Well, there's just not much room.
Well,
You know.
We could use ingredients. Why did you hit the button? We need ingredients. Brandon.
He
I'm eating ramen.
Go north, boys.
Onion cabin.
I hit B.
Look
Thank
at
God
the
it-
dog. Oh, look at the
Yeah,
mouse. Hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo, hey, yo.
Mash the A, 'cause you're starting it again.
Hey, yo.
Holy
Hey,
shit.
lose it.
Get to the door, get to the door.
Get out!
Lose it. Hit A! You bitches!
Oh no.
Oh my god, water.
Please. No!
I'm gonna start a domestic abuse trial. I need you guys to either be cooking, or cutting, or giving, or putting shit in the pot or something. Cause you guys just refuse to cut when it's your turn.
I cut every night, I'll have you know. There too.
What? Brandon?
Wait, what?
How is one person fucking...
No.
Oh my god. Did not feel like we did that well.
Not at all.
Oh no.
Go north. Get me out of here, man. Oh my god, do you guys see the map?
Oh no. The return.
I'm gonna throw up! I'm gonna throw up!
I thought they were gonna move faster.
Where are
Oh,
you
it's
going?
so slippery!
This shit is bonkers.
Wait, what's happening? Oh.
Wait, where are the props?
Over there, bro. Where are you going?
It's so
Oh,
slippery!
it's this me and Sam playing Overcooked while watching two fucking brain dead people just go into the water. Alright, everybody let Sam through.
The onion. The onions got me.
Oh my god. Hard reset, hard reset.
We did.
Hard
What do you-
reset, nope.
What do you
We
mean?
only- Hard reset, it's a speedrun strats. Reset.
We are not resetting. I got cringe ass people trying to throw fucking money. Please take your time. It saves us way more time than it. Sam, you grabbed an onion and then just shoved him off.
Alright, we got
I'm actually losing brain cells right now. Look at this comment, Brandon L.
You guys are gonna yell
What
at
a
me, so
laugh.
I'm
What are you doing?
No, I'm yelling at you because you're fucking brain dead. I had 2 mushrooms in a pot, and there were 2 cut onions, a tomato, and a cut tomato, and
No one
nobody
was
threw me
bringing
a
me
mushroom.
mushrooms. No one was bringing
No,
me
that's
mushrooms.
all-
I'm not
that's all
trying to
Sam.
run
I was trying to bring you mushrooms and I could not make it, and Brandon just
And
kept
every
grabbing
time
onions.
he tried to throw a mushroom to me, he would miss.
I like onions.
Oh my god.
I got scared that they're gonna bump me.
Alright,
mushrooms.
yep.
Oh no. Yeah.
Sam,
Nope, I couldn't.
It's a deliverer.
You guys have 2 jobs, and it feels like you refuse to do both of them.
I'm just a delivery man.
Thanks, but I am crying in the corner.
It's hard to see ingredients slide.
Oh, that stew's gotta fucking burn. Can someone try to get over there?
I'm doing great. I'll even walk this mushroom over.
And you,
I didn't realize. No, it was blue.
honestly,
Tiny mushrooms.
attempt to Kobe it into the pot.
I got it.
Because this is my domain.
Mike!
When calm down, Sam immediately just dashes at you.
Yeah, no, that's my B.
Oh, we need onions cooking.
Oh no!
Can I get that pot? What the
Yeah,
hell did you
yeah.
do with the
We need
pot?
mushrooms cooking.
I tried throwing it off the map, but it fucking...
What do you mean? The second one is onion.
What? It fell through. Did you see that?
Hey, Alex, the second one is onions. We don't have them cooking.
Did you see it fall through though?
Yeah, I saw you.
There's so many
I'm
times that I've had
sorry.
ingredients in my...
I'm sorry.
Alex, why are you taking it from the top when you're down there with the ingredients?
Listen, because I don't understand your whole top method.
Alex, do you see what I'm doing right now? Do you see where I am? No, Alex, do you see where I am right now? Do you see why I'm
When
here?
you-
I don't.
I grabbed this.
Do not mansplain this to me.
You just asked him what it's for! Don't yell at him for explaining when you asked him to! Holy shit, I'm gonna take a break. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Even if the sky is falling down. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. You ought to know. Tonight is the night to let it go. Put on a show. I wanna see how you lose control.
I don't even know where the level is.
It's to the left, but I got fucking...
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, why are you guys going just straight up?
It's Brandon.
Hit A.
I'm trying. Wow.
That shit was kind of nuts.
We're trapped.
Me and Brandon both went.
No, why did you do that? We needed the tomato. Who did that?
Hey, Sam. Yeah.
What?
All right, everyone, calm down. Why did we put 2 tomatoes in one pot and 2 tomatoes in the other?
Alex and Brandon did it at the same time.
Holy shit! Why? I'm gonna fucking punch my monitor and get off.
Plate! Where's plate?
At the left! At the left!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Common Sam near L.
Oh my god. No, we're almost done. I think there's only one more level.
I am going to stab this onion. We won.
Oh wait, are we just supposed to go to this house? Actually?
Oh, probably Onion House, don't we?
POV, we actually need to go talk to the onion.
We just saved the world?
Yeah, save the world. It's time to beat the game. Oh my god, Brandon. The final boss is this.
I'm gonna let you know right now, if this is harder than anything we've gone through, we might not complete this tonight. I might put my fist through my monitor before we fucking finish this game.
Honestly, this run has been much calmer than last time, and that's saying something.
Alex is dying and we just fucking...
Well, this is it. Again. Mute your fucking self!
Yeah, I'm literally having asthma attack. Calm down. I can't move while I'm having an asthma attack. Like, I can't, like...
We'll move.
It's so low res.
Arf. I like that guy. Arf. Kevin!
Oh my god.
Throw it away quick. Oh! Phase 2 of the boss fight.
He's so ugly.
Oh! Or grab it. Just grab it. Just grab it.
Just
Grab it.
You can do
Grab
it.
what?
Brandon, grab the
What am
plate.
I grabbing? I don't know what I'm grabbing.
A burger!
I like burger.
Alright, deuces. Scrubs. L! Common Sam L.
Common Sam L.
I got the plate for you, right here.
Hurry.
Grab it and plate it. Go.
We win!
Oh, we did it. We beat the game.
Watch for another stage.
No, I got the achievements.
Oh yeah. Yay! We did it! It's just full!
Someone read it with an accent.
Quit.
Oh, so bad!
Take cover.
Quick, take over.
Oh, what he's shaking.
What the hell? You look so bad.
He's giving that good head. Ah!
You look so bad.
So, no hood?
Honestly, I think I have a tumor in my brain now.
I'm gonna go take a shower.
I
So.
might also go take a shower.
Good night, guys.
Good night, honey.
I'm gonna take a shower with Sam.
Oh, why not me?
Oh.
There's 104 days of summer vacation.
No, it's not. It's a lie. Dan Povenmire lied to me.
Find a good way to spend it.
Like my boy!
Building a rocker.
Running
I
a
know
mommy, you're coming of the Eiffel Tower. Bow, bow, bow.
Discovering something that doesn't exist, or giving a monkey a shower.
Never not a bot, creating that wizard, driving our sister insane.
Stay creating nanobots twice.
As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. Come on, Perry.
So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it.
Do it. Oh! Oh, my Lanta.
Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it.
I can't do it.
All.
Bow!
Mom, Phineas and Ferb making a title sequence.
No, the cat said the code.